Why are you so windy today? Stupid Mother Nature.
I am so bored right now. Can't go outside because it's freezing. Stay inside and stuff. Wait, I know what to do.
Yeah, creeper dance party, creeper dance party, creeper dance party. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, creeper dance party. Yeah. Ah! Creeper dance party. Creeper dance party. Woo! Ah! Stop it!
Oh, he's right there. Oh, no!
Okay, this is things that boys don't understand about girls. Yeah, we bring a comb with us because if it's a windy day like this, we need to comb our hair. Unlike you guys who just does this and they're done. And like a reason girls mostly wear jeans is because sometimes boys lift up their skirts. That's why we wear jeans. You can't just ask us, oh, why are you wearing a skirt? Because that's the reason why. And also, like, they could be too short and stuff, and people could peep up there. Yeah. Yeah, there's new videos every Wednesday. Okay, say bye, Spider-Man. Bye, Spider-Man. Bye, Spider-Man. Okay. Ah! No!
Hey look, I'm recording from 2 different cameras. This is so epic. Look it, I'm recording from 2 different cameras. Oh my god. I'm recording from 2 different cameras, yeah! Look it, recording from 2 different cameras. Yeah! So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stuff. The sun's too bright, dang it!
Okay, so this is what boys don't. Wait, no.
Hey guys, I'm recording from different cameras. This is so epic. You stupid son!
But this is one thing I don't get about girls is that they grind on other guys, like, for dancing, and, like, that's not cool. That is totally not cool, because I wouldn't want someone in public grinding their boyfriend. That's just gross. there's new videos every Wednesday. Say bye, Superman. I mean, no, Spider-Man. Blueberry. Hey, get up! Get off!